Asteer Thai Summit is an automotive manufacturing company that delivers high-quality spare parts for leading brands such as Mitsubishi and Suzuki. As one of the pioneers in the automotive industry to adopt robotic manufacturing systems, Asteer has successfully brought efficiency and effectiveness to its production processes, benefits that are directly experienced by its customers. Innovative, precise, and reliable. Asteer is not just a supplier, but a strategic partner in advancing Indonesia's automotive industry. We began our business transformation from manual processes and underutilized software systems. Now, we are moving forward with a more integrated and efficient solution through SAP Business One. With SAP Business One, growing the company has become easier. This solution is not only comprehensive but also built on proven best practices across various industries. This implementation is not just about completing a project, it's about making it a success. And the key to that success lies in collaboration between our internal teams and the implementation partner. Today, we step into a new era of business, more structured, more measurable, and more prepared to face future challenges. This is not the end of a project, it's the beginning of a true transformation journey.